Grammar Karbi penke lam tasam. Part of speech Karbi penke lam wek. Lam wek soner keddo lasonsi. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Tela lam wek soner kedo anta kedam tang a video along thanpon clear lo. Lasila aber link description along humbridam ignon kardom. English into Karbi translation. Conjugation of verb dam. Simple present Karbi penke non-hood. I go, we go Karbi penke ne dam. Nitum dam. You go Karbi penke nang dam. Nang dam. He see it go. They go Karbi penke alang lidam. Lapen it go abangke ladam. Halatum dam. Non abangke present continuous Karbi penke non boyhood mate non bombhood. I am going. We are going Karbi penke nike dam bomlo. Nitum ke dam bomlo. You are going. You are going. Nangke dambom lo. Nangke dambom lo. He see it is going. They are going. Alang like dambom lo. Alang like dambom lo. Lapen it is going puabang ke lake dambom lo. Halatum ke dambom lo. Nonabang ke present perfect. Karbi penke non chun klarhood. I have gone. We have gone. Ne dam etlo. Nitum dam etlo. You have gone. You have gone. Karbi penke nang dam etlo. Nang dam etlo. He see it has gone. They have gone. Karbi penke alangli dam etlo. It has gone po bangke la dam etlo. Halatum dam etlo. Present perfect continuous Karbi penke non chun klar bom hood. Non chun klar bom hood. I have been going. We have been going Karbi penke ne dam long bom lo. Ne dam long bom lo. Nitum dam long bom lo. Nitum dam long bom lo. You have been going. You have been going Karbi penke nang dam long bom lo. Nang dam long bom lo. Nang dam long bom lo. He see it has been going. They have been going. They have been going. Alang li dam long bom lo. La dam long bom lo. Halatum dam long bom lo. Halatum dam long bom lo. Pini video ke lang si kang ton lo. Puthada video long le chetong thulo nang kardom.